Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to America's Abstracts. Now I know this is not America, but America and I are doing a challenge together, so I thought I'd just come over and introduce my amazing friend. America and I have been in contact for a couple of months, sharing our painting ideas and just mixing up paint and hanging out. And so we decided to do a challenge. We picked some colors. I'm going to display them here on the screen, and we are going to see what we come up with. So if you came to see America, she is in the building and she will be doing a live painting today. I just wanted the opportunity to introduce my amazing friend. If we haven't met, I am Garrick Brown and my channel is Garrick Brown Art Studios. So without further ado, here is America.
Thank you, Garrick, for that lovely intro. Hey guys, it's America, and like Garrick said, we are doing a collaboration video, and I am really excited to show you what we did. Let's get to painting. Okay, so I definitely did my swipe quite a bit different than I've ever done before. I'm trying to just feel a lot more comfortable like lighting in across the colors. I can still see all the colors individually, and then I got some cool green because of the aqua and the yellow. Let's spin it out, see how this looks. I think I can spin that out more. I do really like this center. I guess I don't know what I was really doing on the outside, but I really like that center, and then these cells are super juicy right here and super juicy right here, so. Alright, let's do another spin. Try to get off more of that. I mean, I have like an interesting, like almost negative space that I did with those. I feel like I picked Garrick's colors. Like his normal colors. I didn't even think about that when I saw. That's kind of funny. Alright. I think I can maybe tilt to get what I want, so I'm going to try to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some extra paint here. And then I'm going to spin it off. I think that should work. Because I like everything else, I just don't like that part. Know what I mean? Alright. So, like I said, alright, well, that'll still be fine. Got a little bit into my really cool part there. Okay, so let's, yep, there we go. I just needed enough paint to be able to move off and have it glide. Alright, yeah, I actually really like the negative space that I made, so. Okay, I gotta switch out my battery. Oops.